I've been walking blind and I've been lost for something like an hour now, trying to find my way around Beijing looking for the nearest subway station. And what's happening is I remember I've been here before. I've been here before. Um, this is where I came and had a meal. There's a restaurant here. I came at a meal with the first Chinese person I met who could speak English, and he took me on his scooter. And I know this place. There's a phone shop over there, and the police station just on the other side of the buildings. This is where my first experience of China, and it's been years now, but as soon as I got here, I just recognized the place. So it's good sometimes to have a good memory and know the places that we've been to. And now that I now know exactly where I am, I think it's about time I try to grab something to eat. It's about time I try to grab something to eat. The other thing about Beijing, whenever you come to Beijing, don't expect something you saw a year ago to be back when you come back. Just know that when you come back, it's going to be a different place, different buildings, and everything is going to be new. But at the moment I now know I'm heading towards these two subway stations, one on the far right and one on the far left. So like I said, I have to look for a subway station, and this is what I'm doing. And this is where I am. I wanted to get something to eat, like some African food, but I'm going to cook. No, this is not the first restaurant I ate in when I arrived in Beijing. Is it that one? Yeah, I think it's, yeah, no, it's this one. This is where I first did my meal when I arrived in Beijing. And being in a familiar place, now I can say I have to concentrate on getting something to eat. And I just call it a day. I've been out today, and having a little bit of fun, because yesterday I worked so hard and a lot of drinking during the weekend. I just needed some fresh air, and I need to get back to work and start working. So just stay tuned. Please subscribe to the channel and leave a comment.